Hello Tribuners, welcome back with me Mutiara in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here are the complete news. The first news is, the Hotman Paris team accompanies the victim of the husband affair with the stepmother. Normarisma officially reported her ex-husband Rozi Zai Hakiki and her biological mother Rihanna to the Banten Regional Police on Sunday, the 29th of January 2023. Not alone, Normarisma was accompanied by a team of lawyers from the famous lawyer Hotman Paris Hutapea. Normarisma's attorney Zahra Wahyu Amalia, who is also part of Team 911 Hotman Paris, said her client reported her biological mother and arrested on suspicion of adultery. Norma's party has also brought as many as 4 witnesses to assist in the prison process at the Banten Regional Police. However, until now, the identities of the 4 witnesses have not been known. Monitoring by the media crew at the location, Norma and her team of attorneys came to the Banten Regional Police at 2 p.m. They left the Banten Regional Police Integrated Police Service Center at around 11 p.m. When asked further, Zahra admitted that she could not provide more details regarding Norma's report. A villager saves an elderly woman from a wild boar attack. A resident of Chelala District, Central Aceh, Zaki, performed a heroic act by killing a wild boar when he was about to attack a housewife in a rice field. This incident occurred on the 28th of Saturday of January 2023 at around 8:30 a.m. At the time, Zaki was about to see his buffalo cattle in the rice field of Chelala District. Reje Barawagading, Chelala District Sarmidi to TribunKayo.com on Sunday, the 29th of January 2023, explained that Zaki had committed the incident when he wanted to call his buffalo in the rice field. Meanwhile, Tribun Kayo managed to contact Zaki via cell phone. He explained the actual chronology of the incident. At the time, he said there were only men in the rice field bunch while there were 2 women. Seeing the wild boar running from the buffalo herd, Zaki attacked the boar using a sharp weapon. Next, the pig ran towards the 2 women, but one woman managed to escape toward the hills while the other one isoled. Spontaneously, he screamed. Zaki ran for approximately 250 meters to save the woman. Baswedan visits Lombok to meet his supporters. National Democratic Party presidential candidate Baswedan visited the collective cage in Tanak Mire Hamlet, Wanasaba District, East Lombok, on Sunday, the 30th of January 2023. On this occasion, the former governor of DKI Jakarta was accompanied by East Lombok Deputy Regent Rumaksi. Anis was also seen greeting the cattle breeders who are members of the collective group. Baswedan's visit to the collective cage is a form of concern and struggle for the welfare of breeders. This was conveyed directly by East Lombok Regent Sukiman Azmi when answering TribunLombok.com. The regent explained that Anis' visit was also part of showing that breeders are one of the priorities of the parties that need to be addressed. The next news is control of roju traders selling on the street. Bogor Bajor Bima Arya gave a faint smile when responding to the plague of illegal traders selling on Pedati Road, Central Bogor District, Bogor City. Bima Arya said it is certain that the illegal street vendors will not able to sell there if they do not follow the rules of the Bogor City government. Bima Arya explained that later this regulation would be issued in the form of a guardian regulation. In the Perwali, later there will be a special selling zone on Pedati Road. The Perwali will also regulate illegal traders so that they do not resell in this regulated area. Bima Arya also confirmed that illegal street vendors who don't comply with the rules certainly cannot sell in the route Pedati area. However, for illegal street vendors who comply with the rules, the city government will facilitate it. A fisherman survived after being declared missing at sea. Satar, a fisherman in Malunda district, Januari Regency, West Sulawesi, who was reported missing at sea, was found safely on Sunday, the 29th of January 2023. The man from Topo Hamlet, Malunda district, was found adrift in the sea after the ship and boat he used were destroyed by the waves. The combined search and rescue team found Satar found at around 20 minutes past 4 p.m. in Baturoro waters, Malunda district. It is just known that Satar went to sea since Saturday, the 28th of January 2023 by boat. But until this morning, there was no news of the victim and had not returned home. Yet, according to his family, the victim usually returned to sea at 7 p.m. at night. Because there was no news, the family was worried and reported this incident until a search was carried out. "3 months as a fugitive, a thief is caught after hiding in a garden." The joint team of Macan Gamalama Mobile Investigation and the intelligence of the Ternate State High Prosecutor's Office succeeded in apprehending the theft suspect in the name of 19-year-old Ahmad Pasapawa, who escaped from the Ternate District Court on Tuesday, 18 October 2022. Ahmad Pasapawa is a resident of Morotai Island Regency. He had been trying to escape for 3 months. He became a prosecuted prisoner in a theft case. The defendant Ahmad Pasapawa was arrested by the joint team on Friday, the 27th of January 2023, around 3:30 a.m. in a garden, to be exact, in Bere Bere Village, Morotai Jaya District, Morotai Island. The garden where the defendant was arrested is about 6 kilometers from the village. Now the person concerned has been brought to the Ternate Reserve Police to be handed over to the state attorney. The last news is the Indonesian land mafia victims from Health and Action. The Indonesian Land Mafia Victims Forum held a demonstration at the office of the National Human Rights Commission Central Jakarta on Monday, the 30th of January 2023. Based on TribunNews.com monitoring at the location, dozens of FKMTI members had arrived at the National Human Rights Commission office at around 12:30 a.m. Then they started their action at around 1 p.m. 50 victims of the land mafia from various regions in Indonesia unfurled banners and posters condemning the land mafia's practice. Well, I think that's all the news for today. With me, Botiara. Don't forget to follow us in YouTube Tribun Lampung News Video, Facebook Tribun Lampung, Instagram @Tribun Lampung, and TikTok @Tribun Lampung for further information. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.